Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you how we installed these Yoolax motorized roller shades, and it was actually quite simple. We were looking at here the instructions. Everything was laid out very easily to follow, and all we had to do is quite literally drill a couple holes and get some brackets going. So here you're going to actually see my husband measure the separation between the brackets and the actual roller shades. This part's very straightforward. You just want to make sure that they are in the right section, and to let you know exactly what those measurements are on the instructions. Then we go in and make sure that they're going to be leveled out, which was again very easy. My husband's really good about hanging these things and making sure that they are ready to go and leveled. Once you do that, then you're going to go in and basically install the brackets. So all you're really having to do is make sure that all of that is leveled and properly installed. Another thing that I want to mention is when you're looking at the hardware, we were making sure that everything was there, but we also found the remote control. So these are going to be controlled with a remote control. And what was nice is they included batteries, because I know a lot of people who do not like not finding batteries with their electronic items. And this was just so nice to have. You're going to go ahead and just put those batteries in the remote control. And once you've installed it, that's when you'll be able to use the remote control. Here, we were just making sure that everything was neatly placed for those brackets, because once you do that and you have the brackets in place, everything else is going to be so easy and so fast. This is the only part where you're really going to have to make sure that you're doing things right and that they are leveled out so that you have no issues with the roller shades. Now comes the really fun and easy part. You're just going to bring the shades up to the brackets and you're literally just going to clip them on. This was one of the easiest ever window treatments we've ever installed, which was so nice. But here's a really nice part is that you can actually use an app that they provide, and you can basically connect them to the app and be able to also use the phone. If for whatever reason you can't find the remote control, no problem. Just pull up the app and basically pair them up, select the blinds that you're using or the roller shades that you're using, and you'll be able to use them with the app. Now, I don't know about you guys, but we're doing this midsummer and it gets late at a much later time. We have little ones that we need to put to sleep, and these were the blackout shades that we chose. They were so nice, and I can't tell you, not only does it keep the light out, but it actually maintains the house cool, which is an additional bonus when you live in an area that gets very hot. And I just felt like they gave this very elevated look to the room. I definitely recommend it. Very easy to install. What was really nice is that they have different selection styles and models, and I really enjoyed the color selection that they have. So I'm going to have the link down for you guys in the description box. Make sure to check it out and select something that you're going to love.